So, guys, welcome to this money making website. Yes, so today this is an investment site which you can earn from it. Yes, so guys, this site is paying. I have run test it and it is really paying. I'll show you proof of my payment in the screen now. As you can see, me and my team got paid because anything that I brought here, I've made sure that I've run test it before anything. So it is really paying. Stay tuned to and watch to the end to know how to go about it and navigate it. You understand? Please, if it's their first time of coming across my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Here we teach all how I make my own money online, how we can make you too can make money also for yourself. This is January and we don't need to dull this January. You cannot start being lazy and start procrastinating this January. So please subscribe, like, comment and share. Even show your friends who are interested to join my platform. And also, if you want to join my community group, all you have to do is to click the link this platform bio or link on my description of this video and join my community group right away. It's free, we are not paying, so that you be the first to get information whenever paying site drops. You understand? I have other paying site that I'm going to be dropping soonest. So all you have to do now is to click the link on my description, on the description of this video, or on the comment section. Then it will bring you to this site here. Bring you to this site here. All you have to do is to input your phone number, your password. Then you click this. After you have input your phone number and your password, you click this send for them to send you a verification number. Make sure the number that you send is working. So once you register, you will set up your trade password. Once you have set up your trade password, it will bring you here. After you are done registering, it will bring you here and you click on this recharge. You click on it, then you recharge 6,000 naira. 6,000 naira. Just type in the amount and click recharge. You understand? You click recharge. They will give you account that you will pay into. You understand? So you see what they wrote: tips. After payment is successful, you must come back here and click I have made payment, and below to submit the sender's name or section ID. You understand? Just go through it, copy this thing, copy the account and the amount you want to pay. Once you have done, you click I have made this transfer. You understand? It will only, you have only 9 minutes to make this payment before it expires. So once you have made the payment, it will reflect here on this recharge. Then you come and click on this investment here. You click on the invest. Once you click on it, the first one you will see is monthly fund. This one is monthly. You cannot withdraw this one. You understand? So if you recharge that 6,000 naira, you do this monthly fund, which you can withdraw after 30 days. They will be giving you 112, which you can withdraw after 30 days. Then you click on this daily fund, which you will be getting 12 daily, which you will be able to withdraw. You understand? For 5 days. You'll be getting 12 daily for 5 days. You understand? The first one, you first of all buy the monthly one, then this daily fund you buy it. That's the second one, and this one comes once in a while. I'll be giving information once this one come. You understand? This welfare fund, I'll be giving you information when it comes. You understand? So another way to make money on this platform, you can either do other packages. You understand? You can do 9,000, you can do 30,000. Just know that any package that you do on this monthly fund is what you will do on this daily fund. You understand? If you do 9k on this monthly fund, just know that you do 9k on the daily fund. You understand? So the higher the package and your earning, you understand, the higher the package and your earning. So that just it. Then another way to earn on this platform is on this m board here. Once you click it and you have received your payment, all you have to do is to click on this publish here, write whatever you want to write here, then input the payment receipt they paid you. You understand? Input the payment receipt they paid you and publish. They will give you some certain amount of money. You understand? So they gave this person 1,000 for posting receipt, this person 1,000, this person 300, this person 2,000. So the more money you make, the more money you earn from this platform. That's basically how to do it. Then you click your account. If you want to withdraw your money, just click withdrawal, bind your bank, bind your bank, select the bank you want to bind it with. If it is opay, but I advise you to use opay or palmpay. You understand? Your name, your account number, this number, card number should be your account number, and your trade password that you set when you registered on the platform, then you add. You understand? That just is, I cannot add it so that YouTube will not flag this video. You understand? So that just it. You can only withdraw from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and minimum withdrawal is 1 2, and only once a day. Anytime you withdraw, they will take 5% of the whatever money you withdraw. You understand? If you make monthly fund of 3,000 and daily fund of 3,000, within 5 days you get your 6,000 naira back. And wait for welfare fund when it will be available, which I will be dropping each time it will be available. I'll be dropping it in the group. You understand? If you make 9,000 naira monthly fund, you'll be getting 113,400 monthly. You understand? For daily is for 3 days, you will get 16,200. Think about it. So I think this 9,000 naira own is very fair. You earn extra from it. So that's just it. That's just about it. So nothing much, nothing less. If you don't understand any question, join my community group and ask your question. You'll be getting any answer you want.